don't move, okay? Whatever the way it is, stretch it. That's it. You feel that's a cut?
Right.
So this is, you heard me many, many times. When you touch, your hand has to cut into his bones. Do that. You had to move. Watch. Whoa. Here. When you don't do it right, his muscles will move.
Okay.
Can you feel
okay.
that? So I give you the feeling. Can you
right.
feel that?
Right.
If you move a little bit,
it's lost.
Yeah. You see right there, it doesn't matter where.
Right.
Cut. Yeah. Cut. Okay. You see this one?
Right.
You moved only here. Here.
This way.
That's it. You see that? Mm-hmm. A little bit hold more from the bottom. It's here. Feel that?
Mm-hmm.
You were doing a little
okay.
bit of that. Mm-hmm. Jammed, right?
Yep.
Stay there. This is very hard. Okay? This has no move.
Right.
And it's the quad only moves your elbow. Only moves here. See it move, right?
Yeah.
That cut. Mm-hmm. You feel that cut?
Uh-huh.
It stays on.
Right.
See that cut? Move. It stays on. Good. Yeah. A lot of power here and here, but this stays on. This power only enforces this arm. You turn. No, you turn. You turn here and here and here. This one only cuts. No. Mm-hmm. Oh, relax. Let me show you first. Okay. Don't do anything yet. You must produce this move.
Okay.
Now there.
Okay.
Go slowly.
Mm-hmm.
You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
And this one, no turn.
Right.
Pick up. Yeah. And go. So in the future, watch the bigger size. Yeah. Okay, watch. Here, that's always move. Watch. Feel it. I won't let you fall, but can you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? It's how, this is called, the description is called clear, and the cut is called crispy. It has to be very, very crispy. I reduce it by doing this.
Right.
Otherwise,
Right.